The Etekcity MSR-A600 Digital Multimeter is the perfect startup multimeter for hobbyists, entry-level electricians, and general household uses. The convenient auto-ranging operation allows you to select the right measurement range when working on a variety of components. It's easy and safe to operate and features many different functions for measuring current, voltage, and resistance, as well as continuity, capacitance, and diode testing. Use this multimeter for household outlets, fuses, wiring, general purpose and vehicle batteries, automotive circuits, and more. Especially great for building and working with your own personalized electronics and other creations. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large LCD screen. Large digital display with big digits, full-scale gear symbol prompts, and unit display makes it easier to use than ever. Number 2. Drop protection included. The rubber sleeve ensures that the multimeter is always protected from wear and tear during projects, and it even has a test lead holder for easy storage. Number 3. Improved buzzer. An electromagnetic buzzer creates a crisp and loud alert when taking measurements. Number 4. Auto-ranging. Accurately measure AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, continuity, capacitance, diode, and so on. Number 5. Safety assured. Overload protection on all ranges. Built-in double explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes. Reverse polarity protection. Number 6. High precision. High sampling speed, 3 times sec. Enables you to confidently diagnose automotive, industrial, and household electrical issues. Number 7. Convenient features. Low battery indication, data hold, auto shut-off, built-in kickstand. Number 8. Backlight display. Large LCD display provides clear readings, and a soft backlight offers visibility in dimly light areas. Number 9. Buy with confidence. 2-year warranty, 1-year buyer assurance and a free option to extend it by 1 more year. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.